Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to adjust visual effects in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Adjusting visual effects in Windows 11 allows you to balance system performance and appearance. Here's how you can do it. Access Performance Options. Press Windows key +I to open Settings. Navigate to System, then About. Under Related Settings, click Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click Settings. In the Performance Options window, switch to the Visual Effects tab. You'll see for options, let Windows choose what's best for my computer. Automatically adjust based on your system's performance. Adjust for Best Appearance. Enables all visual effects for a polished interface. Adjust for Best Performance. Disables all visual effects for maximum speed. Custom allows you to manually select which effects to enable or disable. Customize visual effects. If choosing Custom, you can enable or disable specific effects like animate windows when minimizing and maximizing. Show shadows under windows. Smooth edges of screen fonts. Experiment with these settings to find the right balance for your needs. Once you've made your selection, click Apply and then OK. Tips for different systems. Low-end PCs. Choose Adjust for Best Performance to disable all effects and improve speed. Mid-range PCs. Use Custom to disable heavier effects like animations and shadows. High-end PCs. Feel free to leave all effects enabled or tweak them based on personal preference. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.